Samsung's One UI 8 just made your phone's wallpaper way smarter and way cooler. Imagine your background changing colors throughout the day, moving with sunlight, or even matching the weather outside. That's exactly what Samsung Dynamic Wallpaper does. So, what exactly is Dynamic Wallpaper? It's not just a background. It's a living, moving layer of color on your phone. Instead of a static image, it uses smooth animated gradients that shift beautifully over time. Think of it like your wallpaper breathing slowly, changing from warm morning tones to cool evening. And the best part, when you use the same dynamic wallpaper on both your lock and home screen, you get a seamless transition every time you unlock your phone. It's small, but it feels so satisfying. There are three main things that make this feature shine. Number one, animated gradients. The wallpaper flows smoothly, creating a relaxing and modern vibe. Number two, time sensitivity. The colors actually shift to match the time of day. Morning might bring in bright tones, while nighttime fades to darker shade. Some even respond to weather conditions, cloudy, sunny, or rainy. Number three, seamless unlocking. The transition from lock screen to home screen feels buttery smooth, giving your phone a premium polished feel. Here is how you can set it up right now. Long press on any empty space on your home screen. Tap Wallpaper and Style. Choose Change Wallpaper. Under Color option, look for Dynamic Wallpapers. Pick your favorite animation, like a soft gradient or circular motion, and preview it. Finally, tap Apply to set it up your home screen, lock screen, or both. And that's it. Your Samsung phone now looks dynamic, alive, and personalized. Just the way it should be. If you love discovering hidden Samsung features like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome Android tips every week.